Okay, here's my 95 powerstroke, 5-speed manual, and let's see if it'll start. It's got 225,000 miles, about 32 degrees out, and no block heater. Been having some problems with this truck. The glow plug relay hasn't been working. The light comes on, but the plugs themselves haven't been working. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's not working. Let's try again. Yep. Just put new batteries in it, so. Look on that window. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of smoke. Let's reset the ignition. Whew. Try one more time, maybe a few more times. Oh, there we go. Worked that time. Whew. Get out of this damn thing. Oh, God. Yeah. Well, hopefully some of you out there can tell me how to fix this problem. I think it's just a bad connection, but it works sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't work at all. But it'd be great if I could get some input on that.